How does Mogo make money? It's not what you think. Ever heard of Mogo? Maybe you've seen their ads about commission-free stock trading or their reloadable prepaid Visa card. Mogo's all about helping Canadians manage their money better. But with all these financial services, a question pops up: how exactly does Mogo make money? Unlike traditional banks that hit you with hidden fees and sneaky charges, Mogo takes a different approach. Forget the nickel and diming. Mogo's all about transparency, so let's dive into their unique business model. First up, Mogo offers personal loans. This is a bread and butter service for many fintech companies. Mogo loans range from a few $1,000s to a cool $35,000. Here's the catch: Mogo makes money on the interest charged on these loans. It's a simple model, but Mogo stands out by focusing on responsible lending and helping people get out of debt, not deeper into it. Now, things get interesting. Mogo offers a twist on investing with their Mogo Trade platform. Here's the shocker: Mogo Trade has no commissions on stock trades. None. Zip. Zero. That sounds crazy, right? How can they possibly make money? Mogo Trade flips the script with a flat monthly subscription fee. You pay a set amount, regardless of how much you trade. This incentivizes Mogo to help you make smart, long-term investment decisions, not churn through trades to rack up fees. It's a win-win. You save money on commissions, and Mogo benefits from your success. But wait, there's more. Mogo also offers Moka, a managed investing solution. Moka builds your portfolio based on a proven strategy that tracks the S&P 500. Here, Mogo makes money through a small management fee, a fraction of what traditional wealth managers charge. It's a low-cost way for Canadians to invest in the stock market without the hassle of picking individual stocks. Finally, Mogo has a prepaid Visa card called the Mogo card. This card is a budgeting tool. You load it with money up front, so you can't overspend. Mogo doesn't charge interest, so you avoid those nasty credit card debt spirals. While there might be small fees associated with using the card internationally, it's overall a transparent and responsible way to manage your everyday spending. So, to recap, Mogo makes money through interest on loans, a flat subscription fee for commission-free stock trading, management fees for Moka, and potentially some minimal charges on the Mogo card. The key takeaway here is that Mogo's business model isn't about squeezing every penny out of you. They focus on providing valuable financial tools and services at fair prices, with a focus on helping you achieve financial freedom. In today's world of hidden fees and confusing financial products, Mogo's transparent approach is a breath of fresh air. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.